everyone. We are Group 4 and we'll be presenting our website called Roots for Future. Roots for Future is a platform focused on reforestation, our way of helping the environment by encouraging people to plant trees and protect our forests. The idea behind it is simple. Small actions can grow into something big, just like roots that help a tree stand strong. The purpose of this website is to spread awareness about the importance of trees, promote tree planting activities, and inspire more people to take part in rebuilding our forests. Our target audience is people aged 16 to 25 years old, since they are the most active on social media and can easily share campaigns that promote positive change. We believe that when the youth gets involved, real progress can happen. Thank you. So in our website, when you scroll down, you can see this. What is reforestation? So, what is reforestation nga ba? Reforestation is the process of restoring trees to an area where a forest was recently destroyed or degraded. Using methods like planting new tree seedlings, sowing seeds, or encouraging natural regeneration or re-establish a forest ecosystem. The goal is to bring back forests that we lost due to human activities such as logging, or development, or natural causes like wildfires, or mitigate climate change. Dito naman po, you can see here our infomercial about the reforestation. So, how reforestation helps the environment. Reforestation restores lost forests which help absorb carbon dioxide and fight climate change. It also protects biodiversity by providing habitats for plants and animals.
In this part of our website, we talk about the many benefits of reforestation. Planting trees doesn't just make our surroundings look greener, it actually helps our planet in so many ways. Reforestation reduces air pollution and improves the oxygen we breathe. It also prevents soil erosion and keeps the land healthy and fertile. Trees protect our water sources and help reduce the risk of floods, keeping our community safer. So in this part of our website, we feature Roots for Future projects work. It talks about how our projects focus on forest restoration and the protection of our mountains because these mountains are so important. They give us clean water, protect us from floods and landslides, and serve as homes for both people and animals. This section also shows we aim to restore forests that were destroyed and help communities, especially indigenous groups who depend on these lands for their everyday life.
To help restore forests. The first project is the Philippines-Canada Partnership. The Philippines-Canada Partnership helps communities adapt to climate change and restoring nature. It also conserves biodiversity and supporting sustainable livelihoods. The second project is the Philippines Indigenous Communities. In Mount Calatunan, indigenous communities are restoring forests damaged by years of logging and farming. Since 2015, they've been planting native trees to revive the land and prevent urban flooding. The Bawal community-led reforestation with more support, though more support is needed to keep it right. And the third project is nature-based flood control. Mount Calatunan and Mount Kitanglad reforestation projects are helping prevent floods in Cagayan de Oro by restoring forests that act like natural sponges. The devastation of tropical storms Sendong in 2011 showed how vital these mountains are for protecting communities. Today, groups are combining nature-based solutions like tree planting with more flood control systems to keep CDO safe from future storms.
Okay, so for the next one is why trees. So in this part of our website, it explains why trees, the benefits of planting trees in our planet, why we should plant trees again, or the so-called reforestation. So
Okay, so let's talk about why trees are important to environment. Trees are vital for the environment, providing oxygen, filtering water, supporting biodiversity, creating jobs, preventing disaster, fighting climate change, and supplying medicines. They're essential for our planet's health and our own survival.
So the first one is the air. As we know, trees play an important role in keeping the air we breathe clean. Through their leaves and bark, they absorb harmful pollutants and give off fresh oxygen. In cities, trees help take in toxic gases like nitrogen oxide, ozone, and carbon monoxide, while also cleaning up dust and smoke from the air. Rising carbon dioxide levels caused by things like burning fossil fuels and cutting down forests trap heat and worsen climate change. But strong trees, act as a natural filters, absorbing carbon, and helping to reduce these damaging effects. The second one is biodiversity. A single tree can be a home to many different kinds of insects, fungi, mosses, animals, and plants, depending on what food and shelter they need. Forest animals rely on different habitats. Without trees, many of these creatures would have nowhere to live. So here, we have three types of forest. The first one is young forests. These usually form after fires or logging. Shrubs, grasses, and young trees grow here, attracting animals like small mammals and birds. The second one is middle-aged forests. Taller trees start to grow and shade out weaker plants. The partially open canopy lets ground plants grow, which supports animals like salamanders, deers, and tree frogs. And the last one is older forests. Large trees and thick layers of vegetation create complex habitats, home to animals such as bats, squirrels, and many bird species. The next one is climate. Trees help fight climate change by absorbing carbon dioxide, one of the main greenhouse gases. They also release oxygen and provide shade, which helps lower temperatures and reduce the heat island effect in cities. Forests even help balance the Earth's weather patterns. So the next one is health. Trees make the air cleaner by trapping dust, smoke, and harmful gases. Breathing fresh air keeps people healthier and reduces respiratory problems. Being surrounded by trees also helps lower stress, improve focus, and boost overall well-being. The fifth one is social impact. Trees make communities better places to live. They give shade, reduce noise, and make public spaces more peaceful and beautiful. Green areas with trees also encourage people to go outside, exercise, and socialize, which improves mental health and strengthens community bonds. And finally, water. Trees help manage and protect our water supply. Their roots absorb rainwater, reducing flooding and preventing soil erosion. They also filter pollutants before the water reaches rivers and lakes, keeping our water clean and safe.
Okay, so in this part naman po of our website, nandito naman po yung the problem or the cause and effect ng the cause and effect ng deforestation.
Deforestation happens when people cut down trees for logging, farming, and building cities. These activities destroys the natural homes of animals, leading to loss of biodiversity. Fewer trees also means more carbon dioxide in the air, which worsens climate change. Without roots to hold the soil, landslide and floods become more common. Here are the causes of deforestation. The first one is illegal logging. Many forests are destroyed because of the illegal cutting of trees for timber, furniture, and paper. This activity removes large numbers of trees without allowing new one to grow, leading to a rapid loss of forest cover. The second one is agricultural expansion. Forests are often cleared to make space for farming and raising animals. As the demand for food and products increases, more land is needed for crops and livestock, which results in the continuous cutting of trees. And the final one is urbanization. As cities grow, forests are converted into residential areas, roads, and infrastructure. This urban development reduces green spaces and replaces them with concrete, affecting the natural environment.
Many animals and plants define forests and survive. Winters are cut down. These species losses there are homes, food, sources leading to decrease in biodiversity and even exit. Climate change. These absorb carbon dioxide and major greenhouse gas. When forests are destroyed, more carbon stay in the atmosphere, causing an earth to heat up and worse glowing warm up. Salt erosion and flooding. Their rocks help and sail face without dim rain. Israeli is a way to solve making the land less fatal and enclosing the risks of flood and landslide.
So, to make it clear lang po, ayan yung tatlo, ayan po yung effects ng deforestation. So, first one is loss of habitat. So, marami pong animals na nagda-depend sa forest. So, if yung mga trees na yan is nakat, maraming mga species na mawawalan ng bahay, food sources na mag-lead to, leading to a decrease in biodiversity and even extinction. The second one is climate change. Trees absorb carbon dioxide, a major greenhouse gas. When forests are destroyed, more carbon stays in the atmosphere, causing the earth to heat up or worsen climate or global warming. So the third one is soil erosion and flooding. So tree roots help hold the soil in place. Without them, rain easily washes away the soil, making the land less fertile and increasing the risk of floods and landslides.
To reduce, reuse, recycle. Practicing the 3Rs lessens waste and lowers the demand for materials made from trees, like paper and wood. This simple habit helps save many trees from burning out. Next po is report and illegal logging. Communities can help stop illegal activities by reporting those who cut trees without permits. Working with local authorities ensures that forests remain protected and healthy.
Environmental education. Conducting seminars, school programs, or clean-up drives to spread awareness about the importance of forests. Educated citizens are more likely to take action to protect the environment. Support eco-friendly products. Choosing and buying products made from sustainable or recycled materials. Encourage companies to care for the environment. It's a small action that leads to big positive changes for forests.
Okay, so in this part naman po, it explains the importance of reforestation. Why does it matter? Planting trees helps protect the environment and fight climate change. Pag chinek naman po natin dito, you can see here a tab na donate here.
For donation, we invite everyone to be part of the change through donation. Every contribution, no matter how small, help us plant more trees. Thank you.